Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing the cell that will display live time and enabling macros if you'll use VBA. Once done, pick whether you want a simple volatile formula or a VBA-driven clock. VBA updates continuously, while formulas recalc only on change. Go to the Developer tab or press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. Make sure your workbook is saved as XLSM. Now create a new module so you can paste the updating macro and avoid editing sheet code directly. You'll paste a small macro that writes the current time into your chosen cell and schedules itself again. For example, set worksheets, sheet 1, range A1, value equals time and then call application. On time now plus time value, 000001, update time. Once pasted, name the sub update time and add a paired sub to stop it. Make sure sheet name and cell address match your workbook. Save and close the editor. Macros won't run unless the file is saved as macro-enabled. You now run the start macro to begin live updates. You can also assign it to a button for convenience. Make sure the cell is formatted as time or a custom SS so values display properly. If the clock stops, first check Excel's macro security and that the workbook remains open, application. On time requires the workbook to be active. If scheduling fails, restart the macro and verify the subnames and sheet references. One tip: include an explicit stop macro to cancel pending on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.